a satellite.
Okay, but in like in actually, so right now here it is working because of the light, but in actual cases we need satellite. We need satellite that to receive the signal. Okay, you can do it like this, but there is no receiver to there's no receiver to receive the signal, right? So that's why it can't work. So what we have to do is like there's a sender and receiver. They send the message. If say, let's say if I send you hi, right, in your WhatsApp message, if I send you hi, they will code it like in their own method, like in different method is there, right? They will code it and send the signal to the satellite. Satellite receive this signal and they convert this into the original message hi, and then there you will get the real message. So that's why we need satellite to receive the signal and then to convert this into the original message.
But it does work. Like even if I put it on the top of it, it will work.
It will work, but you will not get the like original message.